Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a glacial blue metallic paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. It includes our 5.3-liter V8 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside we have seating for 6 on our black cloth seating surfaces. Some features of the vehicle: we have our 2-inch factory lift with our black alloy wheels and all-terrain tires. We have a powered tailgate and a spray-on bed liner. Lane keep assist with departure warning, as well as forward collision alert for some safety features, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AM/FM, as well as Sirius XM and Bluetooth media. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window or power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Some storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow mode, transfer case settings, as well as all of our lighting controls and our electronic parking brake. We have a power driver seat as part of our 40-20-40 split front seating, finished in jet black cloth throughout. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our information system that we can control through the black switch inside. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings as well as forward collision alert. Shifter down the side of our steering wheel. In the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio and more, have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth connections, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as our trailer light controls and a phone connection. You can see our backup camera with our adaptive and hitch guidelines. Across the bottom, home, seek, volume controls, and hands-free. Below that, we have our climate control, fan on the left-hand side and temperature on the right, front and rear defrost, as well as air conditioning. Push to start ignition below to the left, and just below the climate controls itself, lane keep assist, auto stop start, powered tailgate, our alarm or hazard lights, traction control, and our downhill assist. And we have a USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and a 120 volt plug for power in the front of the vehicle. Moving to our center console, center seat combo, we have some storage, 2 cup holders, a leather finish, as well as some more storage on top and in the center. Have our key here, locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, as well as alarm system. Lifting up on the center, we can see the additional storage inside. If we just lift up on the front edge, we can lock it into place. We have our release down the side, and we can see it's a full-size third front seat. Some storage underneath, as well as a spot to put our key if we have it open. Moving to the passenger seat, also our jet black cloth. Lastly, moving above our rear view mirror, OnStar buttons at the front, dome lights on either side, as well as our dome lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, before our front door, we can see our Z71 badging for our off-road package. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap in white and our all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors as well as our black capped door handles. Trail Boss badging at the back of the vehicle, as well as a 2-inch lift. Have our corner bumper step, Chevrolet badging etched in the back of the vehicle, as well as our Silverado and custom badging in chrome, dual chrome exhaust tips, and our trailer tow package. Backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines on the bottom of our power tailgate. Back of the vehicle, we have our in-bed lighting, our 120 volt plug in the back, as well as cable tie downs in the front and the back, and our blue finish on our bed. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. We have 2 vents in the bottom of our center console center seat combo. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60-40 fold-up split, finished in our jet black cloth. Lifting up on the bottom of the seats, we can fold them up to make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.